So here we are getting on the 230 SPX. Starting off, we got a 200 horsepower white Mercury outboard. Plenty of power to get your kids out there on the water sports, or just a full boat of people up on playing quickly and moving fast. Nice gray non-skid, so when you are doing the water sports and the back's all wet or you're just out at the beach, you're not going to be slipping while you come and walk through to sit comfortably in the shade underneath this nice size bimini top there. Big seating, L seating to the rear with a table mount. This particular one's got the dual captain's chair set up, and even a full digital dash display by Simrad that's going to give you your chart plotter capability, bottom finder, as well as all your engine management data. Below that, Fusion waterproof radio system with great speakers throughout the boat. Moving over to port here, got a nice size head for a 23-foot boat. That way you don't have to run back in every time the kids need to go. Finally on the bow, two nice, very large sun loungers for a 23-foot boat, as well as cup holders beneath and another table mount up front, as well as nice grab handles that are integrated into the hulls, as well as Fusion, again, waterproof speakers. Very nice, comfortable boat, great layout. If you guys have any additional questions on this, please feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. The information's listed right there below.